एग्जाम्स पास आ रहे हैं, प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है, आप स्ट्रेस्ड फील कर रहे हो। ये नॉर्मल है, हम सब फील करते हैं। लेकिन याद रखना, आप अकेले नहीं हो। लाखों स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हारे साथ ये जंग लड़ रहे हैं। दिस इज योर टाइम टू शाइन। दिस इज योर चांस टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ। घड़ी में 12 बजते हैं, दुनिया सोती है, लेकिन तुम जाग रहे हो। तुम्हारी किताबें खुली हैं, फाइट जारी है। इट्स टफ, आंखें थकी हैं, मन भटकना चाहता है, लेकिन तुम रुके नहीं। यू नो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। हम ये सब क्यों करते हैं? Why do we push ourselves so hard? ये हमारे ड्रीम्स के लिए है, हमारी एस्पिरेशंस के लिए, हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए। हम एक बेहतर कल के लिए पढ़ते हैं, for a chance to make a difference, to build the life we want. कभी कभी you feel lost, demoralized. तुम खुद से सवाल करते हो, is it worth it? हाँ, बिल्कुल। याद करो तुमने ये क्यों शुरू किया था। Remember your goals. तुम बहुत आगे आ गए हो। Don't give up now. Section 5. Stories etched in stars. सितारों को देखो. Look at the stars, how they shine and twinkle in the vast expanse of the night sky. They have been silent witnesses to countless stories, dreams and aspirations. उन्होंने ऐसी अनगिनत रातें देखी हैं. They have seen countless nights where individuals, driven by their dreams, stayed up late, studying and working under their gentle glow. उन्होंने अनगिनत सपने देखने वालों के संघर्ष और जीत को देखा है. They have observed the struggles and triumphs of countless dreamers, those who dared to reach for the stars and beyond. Think of scientists, artists, leaders. Think of the scientists who spent sleepless nights in their labs, the artists who found inspiration in the quiet of the night, and the leaders who planned for a better future under the starlit sky. उन्होंने रात भर जागकर मेहनत की. They worked tirelessly through the night, driven by their passion and determination. उन्होंने चुनौतियों का सामना किया. They faced numerous challenges, obstacles that seemed insurmountable in the darkness of the night. लेकिन उन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मानी, and they achieved greatness. They never gave up, no matter how tough the journey was. The stars witnessed their persistence, their unwavering spirit, and their ultimate success. Throughout history, many great minds have found solace and inspiration under the night sky. The stars have been a silent companion to inventors, creators, and thinkers who changed the world. Even today, modern-day innovators and entrepreneurs find themselves working late into the night, brainstorming and creating under the same stars that have inspired generations before them. Students preparing for exams, writers drafting their novels, all find a unique kind of peace and focus under the starry sky. The quiet of the night, punctuated by the twinkling stars, provides a perfect backdrop for deep thought and creativity. The stars remind us that we are part of something much larger, something infinite. They inspire us to dream big, to reach for the impossible, and to believe that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. From children making wishes on stars to couples enjoying a romantic starlit night, the stars have always held a special place in our hearts. They are a symbol of hope, dreams, and endless possibilities. Astronomers and space enthusiasts spend countless hours gazing through telescopes, trying to unlock the mysteries of the universe. The stars are not just distant lights, they are gateways to understanding our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the countless stories etched in the stars. Remember the dreamers, the doers, and the achievers who found their path under the same sky. Let the stars inspire you to chase your dreams and write your own story among the stars. Section 6. The Relentless Spirit. In the quiet hours of the night when the world is asleep, there are those who burn the midnight oil, driven by an unyielding desire to achieve their dreams. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ko yaad karo? Remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the man who rose from humble beginnings to become one of India's most revered scientists and the 11th President of India. वो streetlights के नीचे पढ़ते थे. उनका एक सपना था. He worked tirelessly. As a young boy, he would study under the dim light of street lamps, driven by a dream that seemed almost impossible. वो भारत के missile man बने. He became known as the Missile Man of India, a testament to his relentless spirit and unwavering dedication. उनकी कहानी हमें सिखाती है, with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. His story teaches us that no matter how insurmountable the odds may seem, perseverance and hard work can turn dreams into reality. उनकी जर्नी आपको इंस्पायर करे। His journey is a beacon of inspiration for all of us, a reminder that our circumstances do not define our potential. Let his spirit fuel your own. Let the relentless spirit of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ignite the fire within you, pushing you to strive for greatness, no matter the challenges you face. Across the world, countless students just like you are working hard, driven by their dreams and aspirations. They come from different walks of life, but they share a common thread, the relentless spirit to succeed. Each new day brings with it a fresh opportunity to chase your dreams. The journey may be long and arduous, but with determination and hard work, the dawn of success is inevitable. Every note you take, every hour you spend studying, brings you one step closer to your goal. Remember, it's the small, consistent efforts that lead to monumental achievements. Keep your vision clear and your goals in sight. Let the stories of those who came before you, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, serve as a guiding light on your path to success. Embrace the relentless spirit within you. Let it drive you, motivate you, and push you to reach heights you never thought possible. Your journey is unique, and your potential is limitless. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each achievement is a testament to your relentless spirit and unwavering dedication. Let your journey inspire others, just as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's journey has inspired you. The relentless spirit is not just about hard work, it's about believing in yourself and your dreams. As you move forward, let this spirit guide you, and remember that with dedication and perseverance, anything is possible. Section 7. Beyond the fatigue. हाँ, तुम थके हुए हो, लेकिन तुम स्ट्रांग भी हो. You are pushing your limits. तुम हर दिन ग्रो कर रहे हो. This struggle is making you resilient. It's shaping you for the future. Embrace the challenge. It's making you extraordinary. Section 8. The dawn of triumph. अपने रिजल्ट्स वाले दिन को इमेजिन करो. आप अपनी मेहनत रंग लाते हुए देखते हैं. आप अपने चाहने वालों के चेहरों पर खुशी देखते हैं. That feeling, my friend, is priceless. वो पल सारे sacrifices को worth it बना देता है. That's the sweet taste of victory. Section 9. The sweet taste of victory. Success सिर्फ grades के बारे में नहीं है. It's about pushing your limits. It's about believing in yourself. It's about never giving up. That feeling of accomplishment is the real reward. ये आपके साथ रहता है. It empowers you to achieve even greater heights. Section 10. Rise and shine. As the night blankets the city, the lights shimmer like stars, hinting at the dawn of a new day. The city never truly sleeps, and neither do the dreams of those who inhabit it. Too ugly बार जब आप overwhelmed महसूस करें, तो ये याद रखना, you are a warrior. In the quiet hours of the night, when the world seems to be at rest, there are countless individuals burning the midnight oil, pushing their limits, and striving for greatness. You are capable of amazing things. लड़ते रहो. Every page you turn, every note you jot down, and every problem you solve is a testament to your resilience and determination. The journey may be tough, but remember, the night is darkest just before the dawn. सीखते रहो, बढ़ते रहो. सवेरा करीब है. Keep learning, keep growing. The light of your desk lamp may be the only source of illumination now, but soon the sun will rise, bringing with it new opportunities and the promise of a brighter future. And with it comes the promise of success. The first rays of sunlight breaking through the horizon symbolize hope, renewal, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Your hard work and dedication will not go unnoticed. Rise and shine, my friend. As you stretch and yawn, feeling the fatigue of a long night, take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in. Each yawn is a badge of honor, a sign of your commitment to your goals. दुनिया तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही है. The world is waiting for you. Your dedication, your passion, and your perseverance are what set you apart. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your success. The city lights may fade, but your inner light will continue to shine brightly, guiding you towards your dreams.